Hello, welcome back. Welcome to my kitchen. Come in, sit down, and let me cook for you. I'm Tom, the Sunday Dinner Chef. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome back. I am Tom, the Sunday Dinner Chef. Today we're going to be doing an Irish Sunday dinner. That's right, roasted pork. Now back in the day, you would see pork stores all over the place here in America. Very hard to find anymore. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make a traditional Irish roast pork dinner. Traditionally was done on a Sunday, and it's going to have the usual suspects. Okay, some potatoes, some carrots, celery, also some green onion, regular onion. Now, what I did was this part of the pork shoulder, I actually took a piece off of it and I cut it into pork steaks. So it's a little smaller than normal, but it's good for both of us. So the whole idea is to score this. I want to get it down into the meat part, but I want that to open up and to cook a little bit because they are great. They're called cracklings. That's right. We're going to cut this up. I'm going to score it, make little cubes out of it. And this video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm going to let you sit back, enjoy some Irish music, and watch how I make this Sunday dinner. Great Sunday dinner. Okay, we're going to start this out at 400 degrees. I might even raise it up a little bit more. I want the outside to become a little more crunch to it. Put a nice color to it. Caramelize it up a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm going to be cutting up this vegetables here in two different ways. Okay, first of all, I'm going to make a little mirepoix to fit into the pot with the pork. That's not going in right away. I don't want this stuff to burn because I'm going to use it for the gravy. I'm going to use an emulsifier blender, and I'm going to emulsify that in to make a gravy from the pork juices. The other ones I'm going to cut up a little smaller for the potatoes that I'm going to be making. I'm going to be making roasted potatoes with carrots and some onions, and I'm going to put some garlic in towards the end. The potatoes I'm going to be cutting up bite-sized pieces. Now, I'm going to put these in a glass Pyrex along with the carrot and the onion and the green onion. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some olive oil to it and just spin it around inside the pan. I'm going to cook these probably for about 45 minutes, and I'm going to take them out. Once I take them out, I'm going to add them to a saucepan or a saute pan, and I am going to just let them slowly crisp up a little bit, finish cooking. I don't want nothing to burn. Once I do that, I'm going to be adding in some garlic. Put the garlic in at the end just so everything blends together. This is a slow-paced cook, pretty relaxing. So. Well, it's that time of the year now. You want to start getting up, the rustic textures, the rustic flavors, sage and rosemary and stuff. So as you see, I put some butter in there. That's my go-to. You can make a cream sauce with this, a garlic buttery cream sauce, but I decided to leave it alone, just to let it be the way I was taught how to make it many, many moons ago. This is bringing me back many years. This was my grandmother's Dutch oven, and then my mom's, and now mine. So this has a lot of traditions going on right now. I got a lot of thoughts going through my head. Now, mirepoix is going in. The reason why I'm putting a mirepoix in is because that's going to be part of the sauce, of the gravy. I'm not going to add no flour to it or roux. I'm going to do is I'm going to take and lift up the pork and push all the vegetables into the middle of the pot. Set the pork on top of that and just let it finish cooking. Might even add a little bit of water to it. I don't want nothing to burn, but I want that great flavor from the veggies. All right, start the show. Pork is out. I'm going to let it sit for a minute. Potatoes are fantastic. I mean, putting that rosemary in there, oh my God, the aromas are unbelievable. I'm going way back in my childhood now. Whew. And that's way back, by the way. Okay, pork is coming out. Going to put it in a Pyrex. It's going to go back into the oven. I'm going to drop it down to 375 a little bit. Just let that crisp up. Everything on the outside, let that get a little bit more crispy and a little happy. Now, inside the Dutch oven, everything is starting to become soft. Look at that. Look at them. All right, God. Pulled away from the bone a little bit. Now, the problem is I don't want to go too far with this because I don't want it to pull it. I still want some texture to it so that I can slice it and eat it with a knife and fork as we have dinner. So I'm going to just keep moving the potatoes around a little bit. Now, I'm going to get my hand blender and I'm going to start to just, as you can see here, just sticking it up nice. The potatoes are doing their job. I'm going to push down on a little bit here and there, but then the blender's going to come in, and then what will happen is I will strain this. Now, whatever left over, I'm going to use for soup stock. That's what the whole idea of this is. I'm keep tossing the potatoes. I don't want nothing to burn, especially the garlic in there. I don't want that foul garlic burnt taste. And let me taste it a little bit here. Oh yeah, right on the money. So simple. This is such a simple dinner. Now there you go. I strained it, and that's how much I pulverized everything into this gravy. Now it's nice and thick. Don't do anything else to it. Here you go. Look at that. I got a little Tryon lady next to me wants some of that crispy stuff. Okay, we're gonna get ready to slice this. We're gonna put the plate together, and this is going to be a Sunday Irish dinner. Well, can't forget the Jamesons. Have a little shooter with my dinner. This brought back a lot of memories. This was Sundays, not every Sunday, but it was definitely a Sunday dinner. The whole family would get together, and that's what it's all about. We need to bring our families back together again. Sunday dinner we're losing out on it. So anyway, with that said, I want to thank all the new subscribers to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And stop back next week. I'm Tom, Sunday Dinner Chef. We'll be cooking some more homemade Sunday dinners. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe.